Hi viewers, the school holiday period is officially here. Now if you are planning to take your family to an amusement park to trial out some super cool roller coasters, then perfect timing. I've got some simple tips for you to use in order to keep yourself happy and healthy and avoid from these sorts of symptoms from happening. And these are the common symptoms that are associated with trialing out super fast roller coasters and rides with a lot of loops, and you want to avoid that. And so I was very lucky to film this segment at the Universal Studios in Osaka, Japan. And the film crew and I faced a very challenging day where we had to brave the elements of the weather, meaning it was a cold, wet, and windy day, but nonetheless, we overcame it. We had a lot of fun, and we can't wait to show some awesome locations we filmed there. Some popular places such as the Harry Potter world and the Peanuts world, meaning we got to visit Snoopy. So let's head there right now. I got some simple tips for you, and you can see me trialing out some wonderful, fun and delicious things that the Universal Studios has on offer. All right, thanks very much for watching. Let's go.
Going to the theme park and keeping your digestive system happy. Let's go! And don't forget to eat, but make sure if you are planning to eat a meal, eat it well in advance before you go on a roller coaster. And check out how cute this box is. Snoopy! And on a cold day like today, I'm here in the Harry Potter world. Make sure you have a warm drink. Try the butterbeer. It's been great fun here at the Universal Studios in Osaka. A few reminders when going to the theme park. Remember to eat regularly, keep yourself hydrated, and don't eat right before you go on a roller coaster. And there you have it. See you on the next episode. Bye!